If y'all think that I have time to sit here and worry about what somebody said about me, I don't. What I do have time for is to make these coins, to create a legacy, to change the lives for my family and those who I love, and everyone that is in my corner. That's what I have time for. That's what's on my mind. And if you don't fit that equation, baby, you got to go. And I'm saying this as encouragement. Don't be pressed about what somebody say about you. That's just motion, baby. And that's just what happens. But I assure you, you stay focused on the task at hand, you'll see the results. And people really gonna be talking then. But they gonna be talking about how great and how amazing and how much hate they got because you are amazing. But either way, let them talk. Let's go get this money. Good morning.